improved studio at the library. Yeah.
Thank you for allowing Don Wood Foundation to come and celebrate this wonderful, remarkable opportunity. You so aptly mentioned that today is National Inventors Day. Our founder, Don Wood, was an entrepreneur and a manufacturer. He started 80/20 Inc. out of his garage and then moved to the Seed District for a period of time before it became the company that now sits out on US 30 today. But certainly the studio and other spaces in the Allen County Public Library system help honor, and we think that's something that he would be very proud of as a project that is enhancing the opportunity for entrepreneurs to have a place to make and imagine and innovate together. So we're grateful for the vision and the leadership of the library and excited about what's to come. And thank you for the opportunity to come celebrate with you today.